All right, Captain Bigbeard, here we are. We finally have arrived. We are on the new build. Would you like to show off the car and why I am having you introduce this bad girl?
All right, first off, because I'm a brother and you love me.
Yay!
Second, it's now Commodore Bigbeard.
Commodore Bigbeard, got a fleet.
I got a fleet of vehicles. The newest one, thanks to my beautiful brother PB, is a 1923 Geo Metro.
Wow.
Dude, it's pretty nice.
It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, so one man's trash is another man's trash. But the thing is, we can make it a treasure. Or I can't say we, because I don't know as much as you do. But I could be a part of the build, and you're gonna teach me some things.
Well, tell us about the car.
Okay, so this is actually a 1965 lemans.
Pontiac lemans.
But some guy was doing a GTO clone.
The GTO, one of the wide-track tigers from Pontiac.
So there's a lot of the trim pieces on it. As you can see, it's definitely getting there, but it's far from there. So we're gonna be doing different things. I would highly recommend, if you guys have any ideas for this vehicle, it's gonna be a restomod. So we're not gonna go all matching and anything like that. What we're gonna do is make it look like an old school vehicle with some modern influences, and then also perform like just a beastly beast that it could be.
LS swap the world.
So if you have any recommendations, engine, transmission, different types of wheels, tires, should we raise it in the back, should we lower it, whatever you guys want to see, let us know. Doesn't mean we'll do it, but we might not have thought about it, and if you guys bring it to mind, it might be something that we can do. So that being said, give us a like, subscribe, and some comments.
All right, tell us more about the car.
Oh.
What type of motor do you have in it?
It's an old one. It's a 1969 Pontiac Firebird motor. I can't say, what is it, 350?
350 block, maybe a 355.
Yeah.
What tranny do you got in this bad girl?
A running one. It's a 2-speed power glide transmission.
Yes,
I'm
we
learning
don't know what
things.
rear end. What type of brakes you got on here?
Drum ones that crack and pop and grind and clunk 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 as they work.
How's the underbody?
Looks great.
Actually, that's one of the biggest reasons we bought this car. Is the underbody looks phenomenal. The frame looks great, and yeah, there's going to be some Bondo, but we are willing to tackle this project. How about that plush interior? I noticed that the seats don't match.
So we got the other one, but something broke with the mechanical side of things.
Oh yeah, you got to talk to me.
Yeah, something broke with the mechanical side of things. Everything else is, I believe, original, but we have the other seat actually at home.
Sweet.
Storage.
Sweet shifter. What is that, a B&M?
That's a Hertz shifter.
No, it's a B&M.
Oh, it's a B&M shifter.
B&M. This is not a 6.5 liter, even though it's acting like it is.
Show them the lights. Ask anybody what the lights do.
Yeah. What's with these lights, guys? I don't think that's GMOE. Anyways, we do not want to keep this car all original because it's not all original, guys. So don't give us any comments saying, oh, leave it the way it is, because it is It has a bunch of parts from other cars, so why leave it that way? We do have some ideas on what we want to do, but we would love your feedback. If you have any ideas that seem like it'd be really cool, be a great fit for the project, throw them out there. We may not use them, but we might actually love the idea and go with it. So your feedback means a lot. Anything else you'd like to add, big bro?
That I love my brother and he's the best brother ever.
Anyways.
Sorry, one of the best brothers ever.
Anyways, the one thing that we did not mention is this is Mike's dream car, and it may be a GT4, but we hope that by the time this build is done, I got a shadow on my face. We hope by the time this build is done, it will actually outperform the original GTO and look just as nice. We love the classic styling, but unfortunately, a car this old does need to be updated unless it's all original. I understand that, but it's not, so it needs to be updated, and we're excited to dive into this.
And it will start on a cold day.
Yes, it will start. She starts real well. And the other thing is, there's going to be a lot of growing. I'm really going to be stretching to pull off a lot of body work and welding if need be and stuff like that. So it's going to be an exciting process, and we can't wait to get started. Anything else you'd like to add, sir?
I love you.
Yep, I love you too, bro. You want to mention how much we paid for it?
How much did we pay for it?
We paid $5,200 for this.
That's right, darn Skippy.
For this ride, and super happy to get it and get started, and we will see you.
But that being said, let them know how much they're normally going for, what we're seeing out on the market.
Yeah, I mean, something around that. We saw it just completely rusted out, no usable panels. So something like this, of this quality, we were super happy. The average we were seeing was close to 10 grand for a car of this shape.
Yes.
So, yes, we got to win. We waited for the right one, and we jumped on it as soon as we saw it. So it pays to search through all the public marketing. So like Craigslist, OfferUp, you know, Auto Tempest, anyone that you can to find that diamond in the rough. And we hope we have a diamond in the rough, not a rough diamond in the rough.
Are we gonna name this car Aladdin?
Aladdin. We could name it Lazarus.
We could. I like that one.
All right, guys, we will see you on the next one. Blah, blah, blah.
Man, you never started a car before?
I thought it was gonna start and then...
Maybe it's a Biff thing. Nobody could start it but me.
Come on, baby.
Maybe you should say a prayer.
Yes.
Please get this started. Nice. All the baby needs is a little bit of prayers.
All right.